Thank you so much. Um, I think I'll just add to what everybody said here. I feel absolutely honored and privileged to be in such elite company. I mean, I think every Indian filmmaker at some point wanted to work with Mr. Bachchan, and I think I'm one of those privileged few. And of course, working with Farhan, working with Vinod sir, working with Abhijat, it's literally these are people who I've revered, I've admired their work, and I always wanted to be somewhere close to, in a position where I can at least interact with them. The fact that I got to make a film with such people is absolutely a dream come true for me. And I really hope you like the teaser, and I really hope the film turns out to everyone's expectations.
My question is to Bijoy. Here. Hi.
Hi.
It's been reported that John and Neil Nitin play cameos in the movie. And is that true?
Well, you just saw them.
Exactly. And I
Yeah.
was quite surprised that you have, kind of shown them.
Well, they both play kind of pivotal roles in the film. I wouldn't want to discuss much about that because the film is, going to be releasing much later. So I would kind of wait to kind of watch out. But they both definitely have it's a special appearance, but still they both have quite a pivotal role in the film.
Okay.
Bijoy, right here. On your right.
Right, yeah. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Bijoy, I would like to know, you have stalwarts like Mr. Bachchan working on this film, and Farhan himself is an accomplished director. Vidhu is a fantastic director. What were your challenges of directing a film like this with a cast, which is so accomplished in their own way? And was it intimidating for you as a young filmmaker in the beginning, and how did you handle the situation?
I had to completely block that feeling out because, like you said, all of them are like so accomplished in their own way, and it is definitely very daunting and intimidating to work with such people like that. But so I had to keep that out completely, and the fact that we actually prepped for the film for a long time. We had a lot of readings, so by that in that process itself, they just made me feel so they didn't at no point did they ever make me feel that okay, this is like a filmmaker who's just making his third film. Nothing like that. I mean, all of them treated me the same way that they would like any other director. So and I really appreciate that. And having said that, like I said, I had to keep that out completely. I had to forget the fact that I'm directing Mr. Bachchan and forget the fact that I'm directing another director that is Farhan here right here. So because ultimately I just had to make the characters work. I had to do justice to the script that Mr. Chopra and Abhijat had written for years. I mean, my biggest challenge for me was that it should definitely raise the bar in terms of how they saw the film. And I wanted to make sure that I gave them a good film.
ये इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है और इसमें 3 बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर्स हैं जो इस प्रोजेक्ट के, चाहे वो एक्टर हो, राइटर हो या फिर एडिटर हो, कहीं आपको ऐसा लगा कि इंटरफेरेंस था इन तीनों का?
अगर ऐसा मैं सोचता तो फिर मैं यहाँ पे नहीं होता. I think it's been a great learning curve for me as a filmmaker because the first time I'm working on someone else's script. And it's been a great collaborative effort so far, and I'm enjoying this process. It's been something, like I said, these are filmmakers. I mean, Mr. Chopra and Bachchan sir and Farhan, these are people like I love their work. So the very fact that I got an opportunity to kind of interact with them, work with them on a project itself is a great privilege. So I only look at it as a part of a learning curve.